Hey guys, it's me NonStop Creative.
Hello friends, it's me NonStop Creative. I am an watercolor artist. In this channel, I will show you different techniques of watercolors. Today my inspiration is an international artist, maltzcreative. He's an ink and watercolor artist. I found him on Instagram. I was following his art since Jan. I found his work so mesmerizing and beautiful. So today I'm gonna choose some of his art design to recreate as a practice. Also I'm gonna use his techniques. Let's start it. I choose 6 houses from his artwork. I was finding just 1 or 2 houses, but I couldn't decide which one. Some of them were very complicated. These 6 houses were small and easy to paint. That's why I decided to paint all 6 of them. I start sketching. I didn't film it because then the video will be so long if I show every single detail. After the sketch, I am highlighting all the houses with black ball pen. It's his technique. I never highlighted my paintings before watercolors because I always thought that the ink will bleed through if I put watercolors on top of it. But I always highlighted my paintings after the watercolor. Today I am highlighting before the watercolor as his technique. Well, it went pretty good. I should follow his technique more often because it's easy to follow every single detail and the pattern, and you guys can see it more clearly. I love how he puts so much details on every single thing, especially the greenery. I'm trying to be as detailed as his work is. Okay, the main thing starts watercolor. I'm trying to create the same colors as the original art. For first house, I'm using cyan, light blue, gray, little bit orange and all the green shades I have for the plants. And I'm using a loose technique. The houses were a little bit difficult to draw because of all the small details, but it is so much satisfying to paint, especially after highlighting all the small details. For second house, I'm using 2 different shades of gray, 2 different shades of orange, and again all shades of green. I like this house more than the first one. The shades are giving night view of the house. The first house looks like it's morning and the second house looks like it's night. Also, I like the white dots on the balcony. It looks like fairy lights. The third house is completely Western style greenhouse. I don't know where all these houses located. When I was painting them, I was just getting the thoughts of Italy $1 houses. They look so similar, but I don't know the real location though. Fourth house has brick walls. I remember when I was little I used to draw brick walls because they look so attractive, but I never used this technique. It was very satisfying. I don't know the color name, but I mix red and brown to create this color. The fifth house is same as the fourth house, except this time I'm using light brown color for the brick walls. This painting is from the autumn season. As you can see the dry tree and sunset on the window shades. Again, the brick wall was so fun to paint. And last but not the least, the sixth house has also brick walls, and I am using dark brown this time for brick walls. This time the weather is clear. You can see the blue sky on the window shades. I think every house has different weather or different time of the day. last, I'm gonna put white flowers in the green area. Let's go to the final look. You can ask questions in the comment based on my experience. I hope you like it, and if you like it, then consider liking the video and subscribing my channel NonStop Creative. Your support really matters, so please support this channel and share this with your friends and family. And if you find this useful, share your feedback. DM me on my Instagram @nonstopcreative1 with no space and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.